Hello guys, welcome to 2021, December 31, 2021. So this is gonna be a time capsule drive. Malanin naong sa Cebu. Snapshot, December 31, 2021. So this is gonna be uploaded December 31, 2022. So yeah, morning naong sa Cebu. So at the end of 2021 and mana, this is gonna be a short drive actually para na makakita mo ba na ang naong sa Cebu gikan mi ganing December 31 was like 15 days, you know, after Odette, and naga po ipek ko na mga wires na mga posting ng higda, mga kahoy na putol, upaw na mga kahoy. So at least you'll see ba unsay naong aning say naong nato dire. So ang atong basically atong drive-an is ang main thoroughfare lang, which is Usmeña Boulevard, Capitol, and we'll end up in Robinson Cybergate. But at least makita mo Puente, wala na. Hindi gini dugay na drive. It's just gonna be a short drive. Na dili kuan. Dari na lang kumuagi by the way. Dili gini on the drive. It is a side streets, but at least you'll see now in general. Yeah, mo now sa Cebu, we just, you know, gikan na to nag-Odette ani dayon. Sa pamelain, Odette, then of course COVID. It was a year of COVID gihapon. Then when things were easing up, nakatubang time na mga abrin na mga mall, mga abrin na murag new normal na makabiyahe ng mga tao, Odette came. So mga mga big events, tough restrictions for the year, and then Odette came. So it was difficult for Cebu, but it is worse sa ubang lugar like Bohol, or mga smaller islands. Surigao, grabe kusog to na bagyong Odette. It was a super typhoon, well, not as bad as Yolanda, but still, it ravaged Cebu, it shook Cebu, and 2 weeks na kuan gyapon. Mura it canceled Christmas, it canceled New Year celebration. Christmas yun, canceled Christmas celebrations for most of us. Daghan kay Christmas parties na cancel, reunions, masses na lang galing. Bisa ka ng mga traditional masses nato ng mga simbang gabi, nawala. And even tanawa ko na, even nga itong Christmas tree diri sa Puente, napapas, diba? So maninahon sa Cebu guys on the last day of 2021. Well, kuan, and you might see karon, later tingali you'll see our December 31, 2022 na drive, and you will see the difference. Maybe, hopefully, more vibrant, more kuan. Ayaw ng mga poste, kuan ang kayo, because we don't know how would happen next year, sad, diba? So, kind of kuan, daghan gyapon ni kuan implications, but you know, kuan ra gyapon ta, laban gyapon ta. We will be resilient, we will be kuan, we will still find a way to, you know, give thanks, be kuan, si tawag na, be grateful for everything, diba? So yeah, so morning now, huh? So it's just going to be a short drive. At least makakita lang mo the difference, maybe what a year can run. You can also check out my past videos, mga snapshots na post December 31, 2020, and you know, compare it today to today. Dagan kayo, you've seen one, you know, sa atong channel you can see the changes of Cebu when big events happen, big, you know, like kanikuan, how it affects the roads, like itong pag lockdown, how it has become kuan ato bang how restricted with nakita di na tayo nakabiyahe bingaw ang daan but now traffic ug balik but mao lagi guba naghan bagwa na nga bre but in the end yes you have to be thankful na lang di ba so ay sa tawagon sa nako akong misis ha kay naghatod tag pagkaon so wala guys magura ko naghatod actually og lechon belly na package para sa akong wife ug iyang the vaccinators dre mao day na ang kuan other events ang vaccination for minors karon still in 2021 ang gi-vaccinate pa kuan it's minors na 12 to 18 pwede na but pohon I don't know kasi next year wala we'll have other things but palayo yun ang vaccination sa Pilipinas though there's a threat of Omicron so I don't know what will happen bitaw sa 2022 but wala we'll be hoping happen we'll be hoping that it's way better than 2021 di ba pero I hope kuan bitaw nindot inyong 2021 I hope maayo I hope maayo din inyong 2022 because this is 2022 na gi-upload but yeah but last year this is how it looks like let's see it's mas beautiful ba ang 2022 na to na drive so we're here at the hospital area but don't actually sa Cebu maternity that's where we end our drive and no na this is B. Rodriguez and wala diri na tamo undang niya sa atong pretty little drive because ano kasi kamo ang pinaka awesome na people sa world and without you guys wala so thank you so much I'm sure thank you so much for another year guys video so see you na sad sa atong short time capsule bye bye bye